Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to talk about the sex determination in honeybees. In honeybees. So question arises here. So how many types are honeybees in the generation of honeybee? So there are three kinds of honeybees. I'll just write here: drone type, worker type, and the last one is queen type. So there are three kinds of honeybees are here. So first of all we have to talk about the worker and queen. It is a female. Okay, you just consider the workers and queens bees are female bees. Okay, and then only the drone bee will be male. Okay, so here the female, it means the worker and the queen bee. Okay, both the female, both the worker and queen bee are diploid in nature. Okay, so queen plus worker bee are diploid, but the drone, it means male, is in the form of haploid, the haploid kind of body organization here. So cell type is haploid and cell type is diploid. So in the case of female, if the egg cell we form, egg cell will be in haploid in this stage. Okay, so how does the diploid convert into the haploid form? We have to use meiosis. Okay, so which kind of cell division occur here? The meiosis kind of cell division occur here in the diploid. Okay, so female will be do the cell division like the meiosis, and the diploid cells will be converted into the haploid cells. And in male the case, if we talk about in male, the condition will be here the haploid body of the male, which is convert the male sperm cell in the haploid form. So body is a haploid and we want the cells, sperm cells is in also haploid form. So mitosis will be occur. So cell division will be mitosis. Okay, so there is the difference between the male and female. In the meiosis, the female is a diploid organism, and then egg will be converted into the haploid ones. Okay, so meiosis kind of cell division occur. In the case of male, the mitosis kind of cell division occur, because the male is in the haploid condition, and we want the sperm cell is in also haploid condition. Okay, so let's talk about more. So there are two kinds of egg cell. Okay, so there are two kinds of egg cell. So I am just drawing the circle here to denote the egg, and just denote the sperm like this symbol. And then if we talk about one egg cell will be fused with the another sperm cell. Okay, so egg cell will be fused in the first condition. Okay, so there are two kind of conditions. In the first condition, egg cell, okay, female egg cell will be fused with the male sperm cell. Then it will be also again become the diploid cell. How does it form? The zygote will be formed here, and the zygote is diploid. Okay, 16 chromosome from here and 16 chromosome from here. The egg and male gamete will be formed, and zygote will be formed. Okay, male and female gamete will be fused and form a zygote, which is in diploid, and 32 chromosome, full number of chromosome are here. So this kind of organization will be formed the female body. Okay, when the fertilization, okay, in the first condition fertilization occur. In the fertilization case, female body will be formed. But in the case of second condition, if no any kind of sperm cells will be fertilized the egg cell, then the parthenogenesis kind of process will be happen. The egg cell automatically going into the mitosis cell division. Okay, the egg will be form the male type of body. So male, how does male form? Male form without fertilization. And female, how does female form? The female forms with fertilization. Without fertilization male forms, and with fertilization female form. Okay, So this kind of, only this kind of things is representing the books. Okay, only the question will be arises from here, so you have to just learn it carefully, and whatever you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the classroom, in the live class, or any kind of meetings. Okay, so that's it in this video.